Welcome to my channel once again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily, within 5 minutes, create an eye-catching thumbnail for your YouTube videos. In this video, we are going to use an app called Kinemaster, a video editing app. Let's dive right into that. Alright, so we are going to use this app called Kinemaster, a video editing app which is present both in Play Store and as well in this Apple phone equivalent. Click on Create New. Then you see 16:9, select that and then create. Go to image asset. This will show you the background images that you can use. Let's choose the first one and then go back. This is the black color, which we can change the colors as we want it. If you want now, we change this color to blue like this. We go and select a picture that we have taken. Go to layers. Click on media. Let me select one of my pictures here. I can shift it this way. I will now go down with that picture selected. I will go down to what we call image remover. Click on it. Wait for a very little time and it's going to say complete. So it has removed the background for this. Still highlighted. To make this picture better, we go down to adjustment. Then we bring up a bit the contrast. We also bring up a bit the vibrance. If it is too reddish, you can change the temperature, adjust it until it matches what you want. My own line will just leave it in 0. Maybe there is another image that I would like to select also. I will go down to that my image asset and go down and select any image that I would like to add here. For example, if I want to add image, I can decide to add this. To show the growth in YouTube. So I can decide to keep it this way. Okay. Then make it go at the back. Click here and send it backwards so that my picture is in front. We go to Chroma key and remove everything white there. Everything, this is black, should be white. Remove everything white there. Adjust it until we get what we want. Okay, the next thing will be to write the name create. I'm going to select my font. Normally, I like to use sans serif Montserrat Bold. I will change the color here. Maybe to something like gold. Create. I'm going to go down here to shadow. Activate the shadow. Click here and then make sure it is extreme here. You can see it is already. I will go and create this spread to make it higher. You can see create. I can highlight this again and then duplicate this. Then I will edit this. I can change the color of this to maybe red. So once you have gotten this, you can easily adjust whatever you have here, your picture, so that you can enlarge this. Once you have gotten it as you want it to be, like this, the next thing you can do is to click here. We have gotten our thumbnail. How do we now export it? Click on this at the left hand side. You see what is like a block or like a television icon. Click on it, capture and save. Once you have done this, it's going to show you that it has saved. Now, when we go back to our files, you see that the thing has saved actually, and it has 2.61 MB. Now, why am I talking about your thumbnail being more than 2 MB, just like this one that has 2.6 MB? Usually, you discover that when you have a quality thumbnail that really stands out, it is usually more than 2 MB. But when you are trying to upload it through the right means, that is through your YouTube desktop, you discover that it is not permitted. Now, there are 2 major ways of solving this problem. This video here has provided the 2 solutions to that. You can consult it. And remember that we also have a new video on how to produce this same thumbnail using your CapCut for CapCut lovers. The link to that is here. If this video has provided you some value, please subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to get our new videos. And if you have any question or any problem, please drop it in the comment section. We'll be glad to help you. Until then, have a nice